A very good morning and a warm welcome to all dear parents, grandparents, and all family members who have come to witness the Founders 2024 of our Class 1 children. We're extremely happy today as you are here to join us on this momentous occasion. The Founders Day is a day of celebration, and as children have entered Class 1, there's going to be a growth which you will register and see today since the last 1 year. Children grow fast, and before we know, they're out of the primary section and move into seniors. So we must cherish and enjoy every moment. I thank you for being a part of the Shemrock family. It means a lot to us, as each one of you is a valued member of the Shemrock larger family. There is a good news which I would like to share with all of you. Very recently, Shemrock was bestowed with the award of being #1 in Mohali in the field of STEAM education by Education World. I think that calls for a big clap. It makes Shemrock #2 in Punjab and #5 in India. A big milestone and a very important one, especially as STEAM education has been recognized. A little I would like to elaborate on this. When we talk of STEAM, we talk of science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics. So what we are trying to do through this is, you're all aware we have a lab in the school where children go and they do these activities. In the STEM lab we call it. But now it is STEAM because arts has also been recognized as a very important aspect of the child's personality and learning. So that is STEAM, STEM becomes STEAM. But you are aware your children already go to the lab and they do activities there. Very important for us to understand, and how we got this acknowledgement is that children must learn not through rote learning, but they must learn through experiential learning, through activities. So whatever activities children are doing, please do not think them as a waste of time. Think of them as particularly important to the child's learning, because this is where rote learning becomes embedded. It becomes embedded learning and not rote learning anymore. So this achievement is obviously possible because we have wonderful parents like you who have given us great children. I would also like to mention here that now, since the children are in Class 1, they are mostly 6 and above. It's time to get them into the habit of reading. It's a good time to start. Anything that you want to inculcate in your children, do it now. And do it by example. Not by. Today's children are very, very smart. They will not listen to what you say, but they will do what you do. So please make a habit at home where every member, at least for 20-25 minutes, reads. You could read the newspaper, you could read a book, and reads not from a laptop, but reads from the physical book. The physical book, the paper. Draw a love for children for that. And start giving books as gifts. This habit can be inculcated. It's not that difficult. Books are great charmers and they have a wonderful world hidden in their covers. But we have to introduce our children to that. So school does through reading challenge and other activities. But if parents take it on, we will have children who are really, the minds and perspectives are growing. And as I said, this is the right age. I would also like to thank you for all the efforts you make in sending your children to school regularly. Attendance is very important. Very, very important. If a child misses school, he understands that school is not important. I can go anywhere, but school is not important. The generations have changed. But if there is any grandparent here, and we have many fortunately, they will tell you that schooling was most important and we were never ever allowed to go off school. Come rain, come thunder, come hot weather, cold weather, school to jana hi hai. This is how we grew up. This is how till today we can't take leave. Hota hi nahi hai ki aap ghar baith jao. Because the importance of our work has been inculcated. I want you parents to understand that. Don't take children off for trivial reasons. Don't take them off. We want children to feel the importance of education, but we keep them home for trivial reasons. Send them to various functions, weddings, where they're not even that important. So please don't take school off. That's another real request I would like to make to all of you, because schooling is important and we need to tell our children that. Well, not taking too much time because you need to watch your children on the stage. One last request. Today, after all the events, we will have a curtain call. In the curtain call, your children will once again come on the stage. They will look for you. If in the meantime you have left the hall, they will be highly disappointed. I don't think we should disappoint our children, not on this day. So, nobody may leave the hall till the end of the function. You can call this a request, but this is more than a request. You have to stay here. Nobody may leave because I will not have my little ones being disappointed. Yesterday it was the day of the Montessori toddlers in the nurseries. And I could actually see the face of the child light up when he saw his parent, a grandparent, literally lit up. There was a spark on the face of the child when he saw his parent. Nothing else matters. We are not important. Today you are important. So be here till the end. And do not leave, and I won't let you leave either. Thank you. One last thing, please have a clap for our compeers of the day today. Little children, come forward. Little children, Sirat and Krishna from class 7 and 8, they're going to take you through the day. Thank you.